TDSB Student Login, how to log into TDSB Student Portal online. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log into TDSB Student Portal online, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for tdsb.elearningontario.ca. In the interface that you will be led to, you can choose if you want to log in as staff and students or log in as parents and guardian. I will choose to log in as staff and student, so I will tap on the staff and student login button. In the interface that you will be led to, enter your TDSB email address and then tap on the next button. Now go ahead and enter your password. Just in case if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password option and follow the on-screen prompts in order to recover your password. Once you have entered your password, tap on the Sign In button and this is how you can log in to TDSB Student Portal online. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.